I remember being in a place where I was doing everything right. I had the hair, I was making wigs, I was even posting, but the money, it just wasn't matching the effort. And I kept thinking something is not clicking here. And I want to talk about that stage because I know that a lot of people are in it right now. When you're doing the work, but it's not translating into an actual income. And it's frustrating because you don't know what you're missing. I had watched tutorials, I bought the hair, I was also learning to perfect my wig. And from the outside, it probably looked like I was doing what I was supposed to do. But inside, I felt like I was just moving, but not progressing. I was busy, but not actually building something that is growing. And the worst part is you start questioning yourself. Am I doing something wrong or is it just how it is? And when I eventually realized that it wasn't just one big problem, it was actually small things that were keeping me stuck. And I see this exact pattern with a lot of wig makers. One of the first things that I noticed was I was staying in something that felt comfortable. For me, that was black wigs. I was okay and satisfied with just selling black wigs. And this is truly because black wig sells. But the thing that you need to know is that a lot of people are creating and selling black wigs. So you end up competing on price without even realizing it. And I think that a lot of people avoid color, not just because they don't want to, but because they're not confident enough to actually color that wig without ruining the client's hair. I was the same. You try the color once, it doesn't come out the way that you expect it. You leave it and you actually run away to something that feels more safe and comfortable. And what changed things for me was not actually jumping into blondes. I realized that I am scared of coloring. The colors that I can see that scares me the most was blondes. So I started from the base. It was first simple browns. I started with a brown wig, and after that, I moved on to had a money piece. Just so had a bit of different color to it. I moved on to red. I moved on to copper. I did everything in stages. Doing this, I realized that's actually where you understand how your hair behaves. So by the time you get to blonde, you already understand how quickly your hair lifts or the things that you do for the browns, the reds that ends up not coming out well. You obviously not repeat it for your blondes, which are more complicated. And that's where things started to change for me because I wasn't just another wig page. But even with that, something was still missing because you can have good wigs but still not sell. I remember being consistent with posting, but I wasn't really seeing anything when I posted. That was when I realized that I was just posting for the sake of posting because literally everybody's posting. I didn't have any real strategy behind it. And I think a lot of people do this. You sit down and think, oh, what should I post today? And nothing comes. What you then do is you just copy what you see other wig makers do. What helped me was changing the lens of how I saw content creation and how I approach content creation. I stopped approaching it like, oh, what am I going to post today? I started approaching it as video first rather than planning first. So when I say video first rather than planning first, I mean that I was recording every single thing I was doing that relates to the business that I was willing to share. For example, I picked 3 days out of the week, and within those 3 days, what I would do is I'll put my tripod down and I'll record me maybe walking into my studio room. I was literally just recording every single thing that I was doing. Now, I wasn't recording every single element, and I was only recording moments, and I wasn't there just bombarding my storage because if you use an iPhone, then you know the craziness about iPhone and the storage problem. So I was very, very focused on just capturing the moments, but I'm recording every activity and every task that I do. And from that, my content became easier. I was able to create content without actually thinking. So I look at the clips that I've recorded and I just think of content ideas that I can get from those clips. But even with that, there was still one thing that slowed everything down for me. And honestly, this was the biggest one because I was figuring every single thing myself. If something went wrong, I had to fix it, go on YouTube, just especially during the phase of me trying to learn how to sew wigs myself, because obviously I did all of the learning myself, DIY. And those used to drive me crazy. Those used to drive me crazy. I honestly sometimes when my sewing machine jams, I'm just thinking, what is going on? And I'm going on YouTube, but there was nobody else to speak to on it. I didn't have anybody like mentor or any group that I was joining or anybody that I can send message to. I was just looking for solution myself. If I didn't understand a particular thing, I had to go to different places to actually find the result. So for example, if I'm struggling about color, I have to go searching for color and okay, what am I going to do next? This hair is going to go bad if I don't sort this out ASAP. So I'm literally going to different places to find a solution. Also, that applied to content as well. When I wasn't sure how my content was, I was going to search, also vendor through the try and error. And eventually I figured it out. It took longer. Honestly, it did take way longer than it should have, but I figured it out myself. And that's when something interesting started happening. I started getting messages. I started getting orders every single day or every other day. Also, people started messaging me and asking me the same thing that I struggled with. And that's when it clicked for me. Most people are not stuck because they are lazy. They are stuck because they don't have clarity and also they do not have support. And that's why I decided to build something. Not because everything is perfect yet, but because I understand exactly what is missing. And honestly, I do not want to build it alone. So here's what I'm doing. I am creating a membership for wig makers. I'm not just going to be getting like random information. You're getting everything in one place. You're getting Q&A where you're able to ask me questions live on your colors, on your wig making, on your hairstyling, things that you're struggling with. Content creation as well, which is the key part of you actually starting a wig business, where I'm going to share every single strategy that I use. And also we're going to have Q&A on those as well, where you can ask me. I can actually review your content and let you know exactly where you're struggling at and what you need to focus on. There's going to be vendors on there where I share vendors that I am currently testing. So I'm looking for a small group of people who actually come in to shape what this becomes. And once I get a number of people that I need for the founding members, we're going to close this to enable us strategize together. We're going to have a Zoom call where I understand where you're struggling, what you're struggling with, and what you would like the membership to include. So the plan is not to build this around what I think you need, but what will actually work for you. So if you're someone who wants to grow your wig business, or you want to understand content creation, coloring, do you have so many questions on your mind when it comes to wig business, but you also feel like things are not clicking yet, this is for you. There are 2 links in my description. The first link is going to be my Instagram link. Then you have the second link, which is Facebook. These links will take you straight to my page where you can just DM me, I am interested. Once I get your DM, I will send you all the details. The founding members are getting a pre-launch price that will be way lower than what the price of this membership will eventually be. And you're also locked in at that price, except you decide to leave the membership, which I know that you wouldn't, because you're so amazed at the amount of wins and the amount of gains that you get from that membership. And I think this one is going to be those where you get in early, you will see the difference over time. So yeah, if you're interested, send me a DM. That's all from me today. Thank you so much for sticking with me. I'm not even sure what number we're on right now. I think we're on number 20 out of 100. I am so thankful that you're here watching and leaving a comment. I really appreciate you, and I'll see you tomorrow.